I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You have Telegram ready, now act. Set a clear username and add a USA city in your profile so results are relevant. Once done, open Telegram's global search bar and type keywords, city, interest, and group. Use quotes for exact phrases and add state abbreviations like CA or NY. Make sure filters are visible and scan results for group icons. This gets you immediate, targeted listings instead of wasting time on generic channels. Once you see results, focus on groups, not channels, if you want conversation. You'll filter by keywords and scan member counts. Larger isn't always better, recent activity matters. Click group info to read descriptions, pinned posts, and admin handles to assess legitimacy. If search yields few hits, try Telegram directory bots or public index bots. Send a query like find groups in Boston Tech. Make sure you vary keywords and try singular versus plural forms to broaden results. You're at the finish line. Join a promising group and immediately read the rules and pinned posts so you don't break norms. Introduce yourself briefly, mention city and interest, and watch interactions for 24-48 hours to confirm community quality. Make sure to mute or set custom notifications and save the invite link in a folder for quick return. Troubleshooting tip. If content looks spammy or admins are absent, leave the group, report spam, and block suspicious accounts to protect your privacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.